Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I'm back for another Nightwish song. It's been quite a while since my last reaction to Nightwish. I actually listened back to the previous two tracks on the album just to really get in the feel and remember the songs. So we are on to the next track on the album Human Nature, which is the track Procession. So I've loaded up the official lyric video as I've done on the last few. And yeah, I'll get right into it. Everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, the subscriptions, all the comments. It's good to learn about new bands, and I really appreciate everyone in the Nightwish fan base giving me all the background on the songs and the band. It helps you, feel more in touch with the band and what they're trying to do as musicians. So anyway, let's get right into it. Nightwish, Procession. Let's see what we've got in store. Nice synthesizers.
A cradle earth, a rising sun seen, new world and thirst for the arcane. We are singers of the we remember as along came life, a cradle earth, a rising sun sea, birth of one and a zillion sideshows.
Sorry to pause it there. Yeah, my initial thoughts are, first of all, I really like that repeating synthesizer. Kind of reminds me of like a sci-fi track like Tron or Interstellar or something, so I really like that. Gives the song a nice feel and a nice repeating pattern that just sets you in motion for when the lyrics come in. I'm wondering what the title of the song means, Procession. Procession, normally the first thing I think of is like a march, a procession of, a funeral procession. And I'm guessing by the lyrics and the images we're seeing is about, like, the start of the earth, the birth of a brand new world, as she said. So maybe procession could mean almost like a procession in terms of evolution from the start of the earth to now. But anyway, that's just my initial thoughts. So let's skip it back and keep playing.
Zillion sideshows. We were, and we'll not be. We remember as along came acorn, another birth, another moss green, new world and thirst for the unseen, an empty suit, a starlight feature. We'll have a visit as along came heartbeat, another
stop it there. Sounds like it's going to kick back in again. Okay, yeah, it's really interesting. The strands of DNA in the background and then showing you all the endangered species. She did say we held our breath as along came suffering, so I am thinking that Procession is, you know, the start of the earth, evolution into animals, then the procession of, you know, she said other birth, other monster. She's talking about the human race and what we are doing to the planet, endangering all these species. So yeah, it kind of making sense to me a lot. I think the song has a easier meaning to understand than some of the other Nightwish songs I've heard so far. And it of course helps when you're reading the lyrics, and also the imagery on these lyric videos do help in that term. But in terms of the song, really lovely piano playing, and I really like her vocals. They've gave her a lot more room than on previous tracks. Not in terms of the loudness of her voice, just in terms of the space that her voice takes in terms of the song. But I like the song, nothing too heavy, nothing too complicated, really just, you know, some nice synth patterns with some nice piano and vocals. So in terms of the song, it's quite simple, but really, really nice. So let's continue.
We remember Father Picaya gave the way as along came Sapien. The cradler welcoming its newborn. AM since that very first day gone. Together now in this timeless parade, the living light, dead afraid. Then they saw the moon and felt carried. We remember as along came lighting. Such worlds were there to stand again. After all, we should have never appeared. Spaceship Earth through the fields of time. They understood as along came wisdom. We have been here a while.
I'm going to stop it there. I really liked when the drums picked up a little bit. He brought back in, I don't think it was a snare, it sounded like a floor tom maybe. But there's like a, in the background of the song, there's this really low, sort of like a brass sound. It's quite baritone in a way, but it's just there in the background of the track, which is quite nice. I like it. Just adds another layer to the song. I'm not sure what that is, what they're playing there, but it's really nice. You can just hear it sitting under the bass and drums. Yeah, it's nice, but so far so good. We're just over a minute left, so let's get the rest of the song on.
At the end of time, as along came harvest, we will remember all the suffering. We both this seen and tongue. You will understand words and melodies with a touch of coloring. We were there and we'll remember.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's one of my favourite songs on the album. I like the end of the video here where you see those screens. At first, when it was coming out, I thought it was solar panels, but yeah, it's obviously TV screens showing what mankind was. So I'm guessing, you know, mankind has ended, but Earth is still there, like it will be once mankind's gone, if we're off the planet Earth, you know, before the sun turns into a white dwarf, of course, but, you know, if humanity was gone, Earth would continue. That's the feeling I get from the end of the song. And all that's left is, you know, all our electronic devices to show what mankind was and what it did in a negative term. The song is upbeat, but it's not an upbeat subject. So yeah, I really liked this one. I thought musically it was some of the nicest track on the album. It was quite stripped back in a way. The first 3/4 of the song, I really liked the synthesizers at the start and the outro. They were really nice. Had a nice sci-fi feel to them. Her vocals were really great, very clear. And yeah, nothing too complicated at all. So I really enjoyed this one. So yeah, that was Nightwish Procession. So let me know what you think of the song in the comments and give me anything I might have missed in terms of the meaning of the song or any interesting information or anecdotes. Okay, so everyone, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye.